Hey you guys, I am back with another video for you guys. So this one is, I don't know, it kind of gave me summer vibes with, like a pop of color, whatnot. And I just got my hands on the Morphe 24G palette, so I definitely had to do a look with this. And I first also want to say, excuse the lighting, it's not as perfect as my last videos, and that's just because I wasn't in my filming area. So let's just get into this video. So right now I am using the P. Louise eye base, and I'm just gonna, use it to kind of clean up my brows a little bit, and then I'll spread it on the lid and Alright, so I'm gonna go in with that beautiful pink first. It's not like a really bright pink, it's more of a light mauve pink. So I really loved it and I had to use it. So I'm using that shade first, and I didn't set the lid. And that is because I want to get the most pigment out of these shadows onto the base. I noticed that whenever I set my base, I don't get as much pigment as I would like with my shadows. So yeah, don't set your base, leave it tacky. That way when you apply your shadows for every shade, you will definitely get a more pigmented payoff. And then I went in with a matte cream shade that was in the palette, which I actually forgot to show, and I used that shade to blend out the edges. So I just pat it, I pat in the pink shade first, placed it where I needed to place it, and then with that cream shade I am just blending out the edges and kind of blowing it out and making it look like it's a lighter baby pink, in the transition area. And then the next two shades that I'm going to be showing you, those are the two shades that I'm going to be putting into my crease and the outer corner. So the first shade that I point to goes directly into the crease to warm it up, and then the neutral And as always, you guys, blending is key. I do go back and forth with colors and shades. You don't see it here because I wanted to kind of keep this video as short as possible. But I do always go back and forth with shades, just in case I lose pigment or whatever the case may be. So yes, always, always, always. Alright you guys, so now we're going to go in with the lid shade. This one is so funny because in person it kind of looks like a light rose gold shade. But looking at it here on footage, it looks more of a champagne gold. But anyways, I use that on the lid and I'm pretty much just packing it. I did have to go over a few times to get the payoff that I wanted. For these shimmer shades in this palette, I would suggest either spraying your brush or applying it with your finger. I didn't want to apply it with my finger, and I didn't have my setting spray with me, so I just went ahead and went over it a couple times. And then I do go in and blend out the edges so that the outer corner meshes in with that lid shade. And then here I'm using my new fade. So after liner, I go in with lashes, and I'm going to be using kokolashes in Honeybee. These are like the sister lashes to Queen Bee. So I'm going to be popping those on, and then we're going to go in with the face. I don't have to explain the face because, I mean, it's the same thing that I do all the time. Just, as always, using different products. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to just let you guys enjoy some music and enjoy the rest of the video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It will mean the world to me. Also, if you guys like this look, then give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions on videos that you would like to see on my channel, always feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the products that I use in the description bar as well for you guys. And